Hi, I'm Chris with U-Haul. Today we're going to review the Curt Tapered 5-bike hanging style bike rack. Now this bike rack is very easy to use and it is a reliable way to secure your bikes on your next adventure with friends or family. Now let's take a closer look at how to assemble it and some of its features. We can begin by inserting the mounting shank into the vehicle's receiver tube and securing it with the 1/2-inch hex bolt, the star washer, and the flat washer. Use the provided tool to tighten the bolt snugly, do not over tighten. Now insert your R-pin. We can now place the main body into the shank. Use the provided 1/2-inch bolt, washers, and nut to affix the main body. Insert into the lowest hole. Now insert the second washer and nut. Insert your through pin into the upper hole. Insert your R pin. Tighten with the provided tools. Now that we have the bike rack assembled, let's take a look at some of its features. Our first feature is an anti-wobble knob that can help take the wobble out of the bike rack. Pull all the slack and tighten snugly, but do not over tighten. The second feature is tilting away from the vehicle. Removing this through pin allows you to tilt the bike rack. Now pull up on the handle and lean it forward. Now once you've accessed your cargo area and reset your anti-wobble pin, you can go ahead and put the bike rack into the loading position by removing the upper pin and folding the arms up. We are now ready to load a bike. Use the provided rubber straps to secure the bike to the cradle. You can now begin loading more bikes, being sure to rotate your handlebars each bike on the way out, strapping them down the same way we strapped the first one down. Another feature of this bike rack is adjustable cradles, allowing you to load various sizes of bike. This bike rack fits a 2-inch receiver only, weighs 43 pounds, can hold up to 5 bikes, with a max load of 225 pounds. That concludes our review of the Curt Tapered 5-bike hanging style bike rack. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you on the trails. If you have any questions about this bike rack, or if you'd like to take a closer look at one, visit your nearest U-Haul Hitch Center or visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.